YouTube family, this is the SUBZERU vlogs, back into the video just for all of y'all. We are out here today. We got the vet today. Y'all already saw the Subaru over there today. We got a lot of amazing and special things that are gonna be coming for the car and the channel very soon. We have a lot of things that are be coming that's gonna be so special to the channel. You guys are not gonna see a Corvette like this on YouTube, so definitely go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below, push the notifications bell, hit the like button, and comment below what you guys want to see on the channel, and comment below what you think is gonna be coming, because this is going to be absolutely insane. This is only stage one. We got so many more modifications and so many more levels that's going to be coming to this Corvette. Today's video is going to be all about the interior of your Chevy Corvettes, and if you guys have just $150, this can make your car look thousands and thousands of dollars and times better than what it currently is, y'all. So let's go ahead and check out the video. I hope you guys like this video, and let's have a blessed day. Always remember, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. And I want you guys to also remember and to keep in mind, y'all, be your own hero, y'all. Don't worry about someone else coming to save the day. Don't worry about waiting for somebody else. Do it yourselves. You all have the power. You all can be your own heroes. So go ahead, guys. Slogan of this channel is going to be your own hero. Let's have a great video. Let's get it. Peace. Alright, y'all, so if you guys saw my last video, you saw that I had it sponsored by Acs Composites. I won't be getting into what exactly is inside of this box, but other than that, we have the interior bits. We have the carbon fiber steering wheel bezel right here. We got the shifter bezel right here, console. We got the door handles right here. And lastly, we have this right here. These are the paddle shifter bezels. It's gonna be going over the current ones. Oh man, but I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but it's like a ruby red. Absolutely looks really good. I didn't want to get carbon fiber because I really wanted to break it up. You know, I really wanted to go with a nice red and carbon and black tone that my outside of the car is going with. So I really wanted to match it on the interior of the car. And for anyone who didn't see the last video, I actually went ahead and got my remote for the car keys in Sebring orange to match. Corvette Mods, thanks for the hookup for this. Go ahead, y'all. You can get any color of your car and it matches really, really good. As you can see, go up with one of these, but let's get into the video. Woo! Acs Composites, oh my gosh, this is so cool. It even shows you all the different products that they have on the site. Tells you everything, even tells you exactly like how to mount everything in. As you guys can see, I did get the rock guards front and rear. Man, so dope. As you can see on my car, I don't have them, don't have the rock guards, but I've seen them and they're really dope. It's really gonna match this as well. So it's gonna come down here and then this is gonna be like that. And then you're gonna come over here to the rear. It's gonna help with the paint. It's gonna help with not getting rock chips in the car. So it's gonna be front and the rears. You guys are gonna see that on the channel very shortly. Like I said, I got the interior bits going on this video. And the packaging, look at the packaging. Even tells you which one's the rear, tells you which one's the front. Man, like, I can't say enough good things about Acs Composites. Guys, thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. Alright, y'all, so this is currently the interior of the car. As you can see, pretty much the standard. I went ahead, though, and put the 3LZ carbon fiber dash in here. And I did get the MGW short throw shifter. So what I'm going to be adding on is this piece. It's going to be that carbon fiber piece you saw. I got the red carbon fiber strip line. So it's going to be carbon fiber, the red right here. This, as you see, it's that plastic piece again. This is going to be carbon fiber. And as you guys can see, this door piece right here and this door piece right here will also be carbon fiber as well. And lastly, the paddle shifters, as you can see, are just the regular black paddle shifters. Now, before I like to go ahead and insert anything on the car, I like to go ahead and give a nice little clean to get the dust and the debris off. This is going to be the Meguiar's Ultimate, the waterless wash and wax. This works fantastic. You don't have to use any water, any other products. Just give that a nice spray a few times and you're good to go. Meguiar's, if you guys are watching the video, I would love to be able to partner with you guys and show people more of your amazing products. But as you guys can see, bam, look at that. No dust, no dirt, perfectly clean. Doesn't take super long at all. All you gotta do is just give it a nice little wipe and bam, you're ready to go. Woo! So far getting it fitted right, but came out really good. It looks great, man. I really like it. The glossiness is a great contrast to the matte carbon, so it doesn't feel like it's just gloss everywhere. It kind of gives a nice look to the gloss here, but it also gives a nice to the carbon right there. That's like in a matte finish. So far this is looking really good. The fitment is really easy, not difficult at all. The seams came out pretty well, and for a product that isn't actually a full-on custom new built and it just is an overlay, this is really nice and it looks fantastic. I'm not sure if the camera is getting it, but it looks really good, man. It looks really good. All right, y'all, so these are gonna be the paddle shifters next. It's gonna be very simple. You're just gonna attach these, but as you can see how much better that already looks than just that. Now imagine that carbon and the red together. Ooh, that's gonna be so cool, y'all. All right, y'all, so got the first side on. As you can see, oh my gosh, that is looking so good. First side's on, didn't take too much difficulty. Just put some adhesive on the back of it, and you're set and ready to go. Let's get to the other side. Woo, that looks so sick, man. So dope, man. Check out what $80. This setup right here was $80 on Amazon, y'all. Take a look at what this $80 setup can get you, man. Oh my gosh. Woo, I almost forgot. Take a look at that red carbon fiber engine start and how it matches the red carbon fiber trim right there. Something so simple, but look at that. The red, the black, red, the black, red, the black, red, the black, and the carbon, and I have only just begun. Oh my gosh, this is so sick, y'all. Well, anyway, let's get back to the video, man. All right, y'all, the next piece we're gonna be installing is gonna be this piece right here. So like I was saying, over this kind of silver plastic material right here, we got the carbon fiber piece right here. It's gonna be very simple. We're just gonna go ahead and install it just like this and go just like that. All right, so this is how this piece looks. Looks pretty dope. Man, it looks really good. Really like it. This is like, I think it's the automatic piece, but it still fits really good here. Just slightly maybe a little off, but for the price of what you're getting, that's pretty spot on, man. This is, like I said, I love that this is gloss and this is gloss. It kind of really does a good job of matching here in the matte and the matte. So overall, looking pretty good. Let's get the last bits on right now. All right, y'all, the next two and the last pieces for the interior are not going to be that difficult at all. We got the piece right here. It's basically going to go just like that. And then we got the other piece, essentially, it's going to be going right over the top of that. So just overlays. All right, so as you guys can see, went ahead and put this one in. Fitment is really good. I actually like the side, the doors fitment's much better. Look at that, it's right on point, man, right on point. Woo, look at this, man. That, I'm telling y'all, the fitment is pretty good. I just like the dark contrast. It takes out that silver and plastic looking mesh. I like the darker contrast. The carbon just kind of makes it look much more cleaner, not have as much silver looking materials in here, so it just seems more darker. I actually like having this still be this color, so it kind of gives a break from the carbon and it gives a nice shine on the interior. But overall, man, I really like how this looks. Like, look at that. 150 bucks, 150 bucks gets you this piece, gets you everything you see here, gets you that door piece, and gets you this door piece. All right, y'all, so I just realized, I was like, why does this feel like it's not fitting just right? I mean, it fits, but this right here is bugging me. But I realized they got a separate one for the manual transmission, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Like I said, it's only 40 bucks. So if anyone's got an automatic Corvette and would like to get this, hit me up. This is from Just Auto Trim, but overall, like I said, everything fits really good. It's just this little piece right here, it's a little too close for me right here. Again, it's in gear, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the actual manual one. You see how it's slimmer right there, so it's gonna fit much more better. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I told you guys I gotta get the manual one. I'm gonna get that very shortly. Everything is looking great. Now part two of what's going to be coming next is going to be these right here, and these are the clear lights. It's going to be so awesome, man. So all of these LED lights, I'm going to be getting them blacked out in the sides, blacked out in the front. So go ahead, stay tuned for that next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, It's like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams, make them reality, and be your own hero, y'all. Be safe, be blessed. Peace, y'all.